Scrapbooking with me, and it's the February kit that we got. It is the My Mind's Eye, and I want to say it's called Splendor. Yes, it is. And it's such a pretty set. It really is. I was really excited about this paper collection. It's 12 by 12, and it does come with a sticker sheet inside. I'm just trying to open it here. I should have done that probably before I started, but you get so excited. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into the paper collection here. Now, with this one, I want to say this is one of those smaller collections. You only get 6 of the sheets, but they are double-sided. Okay, so I'll show you here. I love these flowers. You feel like you can fussy cut them out. They're so pretty. And then the swans. I love this paper here behind it. It is so retro. It's something retro about it. You have the light pink stripes with the really pretty, the print with the flowers in between. Gorgeous. I like this one too. Definitely feel like you could cut it out. And then you have the pretty stripes on the back. And then on this one, I like this because they give it a darker background, but it's almost the same flower as that first one. It's really pretty, and I'm going to be torn because I like that pink behind it as well. And then you have the pink polka dots, and on the back, this really pretty sheet as well. It feels very springy. And then it comes with this sticker sheet, which has all the different flowers. They mimic what's in the collection, what's on the papers and stuff like that. Excuse me. So with this, you're also going to get the 3D stickers, which I believe I'm grabbing over here. Yes, the 3D stickers. So there's layers to these. Some of the layers are small, like the little banner there. You have the house, which looks like the clocks, those cuckoo clocks. Super cute. You got the enamel dots. And then you're also going to get the pretty hello, congrats. These are from the large thickers, the words. I love these. These are so awesome because they're foamy, but the gold in it is just really pretty as well. And then the kit also comes with the Heidi Swap Color Shine, I think it is. Yeah, Color Shine. This one is coral. And this actually matches really well the peach that is in a lot of the papers. It's that pinky peach. And so that coral kind of like, it mimics that peachy color. So it's really, really, really pretty. And it's nice to have stuff like this to be able to do a different color than you normally would when it comes to splatters. It works as a great accent. And you'll see that in the first project that I have that I'm going to put up, which is the weekend sketch that we just had this past weekend. I made it using this kit, and so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys later. So here are the close-ups. I hope you enjoy everything here, and I'm so excited really to get started and into it. It's not going to take me long to take care of this paper kit, that's for sure, because it's so much fun. And I'm thinking I may even do like a one sheet wonder with this one and make a bunch of cards. So down below in the more section, I will have links to all of Scrapbooking with Me, the .com, and their Facebook pages. And there's also a coupon code TT15. If you purchase, just use my coupon code to get an extra 15% off. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.